Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, this topic now, when all of us want to listen to, I not care what you think about the way when I yarn. I not care what you feel about the way when Funky D they talk. I not care how you feel about waiting they talk about. But the only thing what I want to tell you is say, now only that truth will save all of us. And now the truth when I want yarn with you so. That the truth when I want to tell you so right here. That is why I no go ever feel in here when you think. I no go care about any year where you dey yarn or where you dey think or where you dey look funky do. The only question when I get for all these agitators in Biafran land, all of them, only one question I get for them. And I need the answer to this question. Why it can't be say Biafra never come? Some people don't they kill themselves inside the matter, put for the matter. Why be say una never achieve Biafra or the sovereign state of Biafra? IPOB and Mozob, I be Mozob that they call those people. They don't they fight for things when not make sense. Even though say they Biafra self, they don't know when they go actualize them. They don't they kill themselves. They don't they fight themselves. They don't they destroy themselves. They don't they accuse themselves. They don't they wound themselves with words of mouth. Owazurike and Asari Dokubo say no, now they cannot they doing right. Everything when now they cannot they talk, you're not supposed to come as a leader. Everything when they do, and I mean when you was Wazurike, I mean from Radio Biafra, come put them there, I mean coach him, I mean be boss, I mean be this, I mean be that. Brother, pride goes before it falls. All of them when they fight for this Biafra, now they talk to in this topic. I got to talk about this Biafra today more than 3 times in 3 videos, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to talk about the same Biafra 3 good times in different videos. That is why they tell me, see, any way you want reason for this video, when I they make so, when you they watch, make you the reasoner, because even somebody like their Aisha Buhari and their Buhari and their all those people when they are in Aso Rock Villa, all those governors and ministers, and I not send a message not to talk of you. I not send them message not to talk about you. I not give a hook on what you want to think about or what you think about this our analysis today. I don't see Mossop member, that is the Owazurike, when in the brag say, even before when he go Togo, Lome, go do what he do long ago, when Kofi Annan then they, when former president of Libya then they, Maman Gaddafi, when they talk see, now them save them, say they travel, when they travel go Togo that time, say now there in life for end, but now this mean gonna be former presidents, now them happen. But they not get anything to prove them because the video, no, now the same man they know. That's when they blasting Nandekano see, what you make Nandekano they talk about Pete Deche. People like Naudo them. People like Asari Dokubo them. Now, what you know Wazurike they talk, ladies and gentlemen, now they tell them. But I want assure and I want to tell now today again say Asari Dokubo and the Wazurike, the only thing whether they fight for na their belle. Asari Dokubo and Owazurike then be agents of the Northern Caliphate. Anyhow, when they like, may them come out, come talk anything where they want to. See, if Nnamdi Kanu tell these people words, then go the vagabond around, they yarn up and down, they don't get any concrete evidence to hold Nnamdi Kanu to ransom. Because they are fraudsters. Exactly the same thing when the government of Nigeria they do to Nigerian people. Now him, somebody like Owazurike, Asari Dokubo, even they go do worse than Nigerian federal government. These are not freedom fighters. These people, they are not freedom fighters. Asari Dokubo and this guy Owazurike, they can't destroy the agitation of Biafra. Just like the way when APC and PDP come destroy Nigeria as a nation. So these people, they are agents of the Fulani Caliphate inside Biafran land. I don't ask Owazurike say, make him point out what to make him when Owazurike be leader, or what to make this guy what they call John Nnanudo when he take call himself elder or Pete Doche. The only thing I will know Pete Doche for be say Pete Doche na filmmaker and the father to his own children. Those people never contribute anything. Pete Doche make him come and come point out to us waiting in don't achieve. Everything when they achieve now for him pockets and a family. Send his children to school. Himself na actor. Waiting come be, waiting come make Pete Doche a leader. Waiting come make Ohaneze Ndigbo leaders. Waiting come make John Nudo leader. Point out one thing when John Nudo don't do for Igbo people. People when they connive with this Northerners to kill our people. Now him, this man, when be Owazurike, they call and say them be leaders. In fact, the way when Owazurike talk, ladies and gentlemen, Owazurike say if to say na this kind of Biafra, it's not they talk like the way when Joe Biden they talk in America, because they don't have direction, they don't have vision. Now push people, they push them. And the people, when they push this Owazurike, Asari Dokubo, they are pushing them to destroy the efforts of Biafra, to destroy the realization or actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra. And I know see the Northerners, they don't want them. They don't like Biafran people. They don't like to hear that word Biafra. But we continue to preach. So what to make John Nnanudo be Oga, what to make him be leader? Tell us what in fact, when Ojukwu they alive, ladies and gentlemen, Ojukwu don't want Igbo people. Ojukwu don't want seriously about the Ohaneze Ndigbo. So you tell me now, see the way when Nnamdi Kanu they go and Ojukwu they go, they align together almost the same. Only Nnamdi Kanu don't go international. But the way when Asari Dokubo, the Ohaneze Ndigbo, this guy what they call himself Owazurike they go, you see all of them still aligned together. You see now two opposite, two different things. Now him they did all of them be two different, the good and the bad. Nnamdi Kanu side are the good side, fighting for the right thing, doing the right thing when it's supposed to. But all these enemies where we get in Biafran land, they don't let the man sell. Owazurike, Asari Dokubo, and the Ohaneze Ndigbo, including the Pete or Pete Doche, what they talk now? See, when this guy don't come use attack Nnamdi Kanu, say Nnamdi Kanu, they neglect them. I don't see how Nnamdi Kanu take neglect them. These people, they know what to they call Papa, all of them. Most especially the John Wood, because I not know too much about Pete Edochie. The only thing I know is Pete Edochie now just a mere filmmaker. It's not a leader. Though he can lead his family, okay, maybe in a leader for a compound. That's all. So a lot of things they happen. I make that they do this video today, waiting this guy they call Owazurike done yarn again about the IPOB and then the Kano. Even Owazurike, when they call himself saying a leader, in they say if so did not happen, to hell with Biafra. If Nasun Nandekano want to hell with Biafra. After Don Brak say na him open the Radio Biafra and all that, say na him employ Nandekano and all that. But instead somehow President Nandekano, okay. I don't tell them I say not be only one news when come out today about Biafra. A lot of things when I talk about Biafra today. Mosok and Owazurike. The news say Mosok attacks IPOB, says Biafra will not be Jewish state. Now, when I remember say in my openings, I tell them I say Biafra never come. They never actualize them. They don't they kill themselves. They never fight and come out. They don't even know whether it will come or not. But let's hope say it will come and believe. Because as Nandekano don't make all of us believe say Biafra will come. Personally, I believe see Biafra will definitely come because of the situation in Nigeria. Because things have already fallen apart and the center in the presidency or in Aso Rock Villa can no longer hold. Aso Rock now a problem. Tinubu now problem. Even others is what they tell them. I don't tell them. Maybe I don't believe waiting Tinubu that they come out the top. They are all in problem. Even that they claim now say Tinubu won't run leave APC people. But Funky D never confirm. But I don't really see it for some areas. I don't hear it for some quarters. They maybe one run go PDP. Now I can show where people are back at the line. This one run go. I be when I know say these people that get the political parties what all of them get before somebody like Bola Tinubu that maybe one go boost his former political part. All these people, I don't tell them that. Say now them be the giant monster one will get in Nigeria. That is the reason. I mean APC and PDP. That is the reason I tell them that say Biafra. To me, when I'm the Kano de Nya, I they believe and say Biafra will definitely come. Because there is nobody in Aso Rock. Nigeria have no government. Everything is pay to play. Everything is wuru. Everything is being manipulated in the seat of power. Now, my brother, you won't be Biafran person. You be my brother. You be my sister. You be my friend. You are not my enemy. All of us will be one family. I see no reason why Owazurike go to fight Nandekano. Or Nandekano go to fight Owazurike. I see no reason why Asari do. I don't all the time I talk this thing. People don't attack me many times when they talk about lack of unity within the people from Biafran land. Now, once again, I see the call for that unity. Unity Owazurike, unity Asari Dokubo, unity Nnamdi Kanu. If you now want to be leader, you got to show example as a leader. You got to show people when you dey lead say you be leader. That time if people they follow you, it go dey sweet. And by doing so, three of you are not supposed to settle peacefully to drive the Igbo people or the Biafran people to their promised land. You can't drive people to promised land with this kind of actions when all of them they pull. Una they claim say una they fight for Biafra and una they show bad example to people. Even though say not an accept, say that they quarter themselves, you know they even they scam for their face. You know they even they scam. Then go make sure say the thing where they fight for, it comes to pass. Even though say that they fight them themselves. But why our own country different? So if you want to be a leader, you have to show yourself as a good example to people when you claim say you want lead. Not the kind of leaders when these people won't be Yohanes Indigo that they claim say them be. At the end of the day, they will go carry Ghana must go in Aswak, deceiving the gullible ones. Or you tell me say them be. So, make una stop to the fight because Biafra never come. Even though Biafra don't come, let there be peace in the land. Make it not be like so now when they claim say now fight out the Biafra, come they fight on ourselves again. Then which example you they show to your people? And you claim say you be leader. And you won't come to my face and tell me say you be leader. When you never even put your home in peace or in place. Like all this APC and PDP, when they never even feel put APC political party in place, then they come say, claim say them be my leader. You never fit put your house in place. You they claim say you be leader to somebody. When you get serious problem. When fire, they burn down your own home. Trouble everywhere. You know if you settle now. How you want to settle 200 million Nigerian people? And they ask una. Even this Asari Dokubo, Uwazurike, and Nnamdi Kanu, and they ask una. If una continue to quarrel this quarrel, one they quarrel now. When Biafra never come, what do una go do when Biafra come? So if una not three of una now, when we know now, say now una they fight for according to the claim when all of una they claim. Nnamdi Kanu say in the fight for Biafra to come. That one are the only person when be Funky D believe. Uwazurike say in the fight for the same thing. Asari Dokubo say in the fight for the same thing. And we they call on now. We won't be on followers. Let make her put on that way. Make her put on that way. See we they follow all of them. Now on the trend. Okay? Now we they follow on. Una they cause fight. Una they quarrel in our present. And we now when they follow una now, they advise on us say make una come together. Come settle. And una no want settle. And una won't come out they tell us say una won't be our leaders. Just as that is exactly the same thing when they happen in Nigeria. In the presidency, in APC and PDP. The same thing, my brother. So, if you tell me now, say, we they advise you, and you want to come tell me, say, you no go listen to our advice because we be your followers. That's not the trend. Okay, three of you now get this question. I hope, say, this video will reach Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, reach Asari Dokubo, and reach that one what they call Uwazurike. Because if you are not fit settle yourself, I don't know how Biafra will be settled after actualization. I don't know how Biafra will look like after actualization. Una tell us you want a different thing entirely, something different from Nigeria entirely. Una won't copy the way when abroad people they do their things. So how now won't take do all these things now with this kind of fight within three of you? How una won't take do all this kind of thing when una not fit settle on ourselves? Una they claim say una won't be our boss or our bosses. We one day under una won't come rule us. Una don't promise us una won't come change our life because when Biafra come our life don't change. Nothing will matter. So why can't be say three of you now una not fit settle on ourselves? Una won't be people's boss, but people want una they claim say una be our Ghana, our leaders. Who they say una the fights. Una not fit settle on ourselves. I don't just get it how you want to take rule 40 million or 50 million people if three of you cannot settle on a matter. Or come together to fight this fight. So the advice when I get for now, be say, make una stop to the quarrel because Biafra never come. I don't foresee, personally, make I just talk my own. So that in future time, people go point and say, Funky D don't talk this thing before. Ladies and gentlemen, we know they pray for problem. We know they pray for all this kind of misunderstanding between these three men. Let us say they won't lead us, let them be leaders. But I don't see say trouble there in future. Big trouble there in future. For example, if by the grace of God today they see Nnamdi Kanu, now him fight out to this Biafra, and not only him, sincerely from my heart, I see say now they fight for Biafran people. I don't see any other person. But I don't see say trouble there. Even though say the whole world say okay, Biafra don't come, they don't give them Biafra. And all these saboteurs went full every corner, say they not go allow that Biafra rain. I don't see them. Say they not go allow Nnamdi Kanu drink water, put cup for ground for fighting out Biafra for Biafran people. I don't see say somebody like Asari Dokubo then go after Nnamdi Kanu bomber to bomber to make sure say they still destroy him, even if say the international bodies don't recognize that Biafra. Because now him make Asari Dokubo and this guy when he was Rike and the Hanese Ndigbo all together be Nnamdi Kanu opposition. Now him made them they there. They just they wait anytime when the announcer Asari Dokubo go say in a Muslim, Uwazurike go say na him with Asari Dokubo and other people, other group, and then fight the fight. And the Hanese Ndigbo they go come say no, they don't agree. They cannot be in the same country. Already, Asari Dokubo they claim say they are a job people, they not be Biafran people. That is why I say Asari Dokubo is a stupid person. He's a very, very stupid man. He don't know what he's doing. And then they claim say he know history. I don't know the history when Asari Dokubo. When they claim say them when be job people, they not be Igbo people. Even the Delta people when they claim say they not be Igbo people. I just wonder for those people. Even rich worry, all of us now Biafran people. Just exactly the same way when Nnamdi Kanu they talk. Even before Nnamdi Kanu they talk this matter. When I did Nigeria, when I they grow, they come. I know all these things. I know all this and say, even Agbo, all those places, Igbake, all of them, now Igbo people them be. Not to talk of Asaba when near Anambra State, when near Onitsha, where they get that bridge. All those areas, even Okwale, Iseluku, Iselangwa, all those names, you see, with Igbo language, all of them come together. You see, these people, they'll be Igbo people. If you listen to Okwale person now, you see they speak like Igbo person. You won't come from anywhere when you come from Igbo land. You go to hear what Okwale person they talk. I wonder why somebody like Asari Dokubo go deny saying not be Igbo person. Maybe na Northern when they just breathe in Biafran land, then Asari Dokubo be, and is working for them sincerely. One love, everybody. If you get anything when you want to concerning this segment, make you the yana more. The next topic now how and the full thing when Uwazurike talk and how you take talk. Because this particular video not just for analysis. Next video when they come now, you go here waiting Uwazurike talk. Whether not so leader they talk. Uwazurike to help with Biafra. If not so, Nnamdi Kanu wants the Biafra to be. One love. Let's see you guys next time. Make you not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm not vexed for waiting you here today. Because now so the matter be. The only thing when me I like now how to say the truth. I don't know about you.